Welcome back to the channel, y'all. As you can see in this video, I look super happy, and when I was recording this, I was. So today I am actually reviewing the temporary hair color by As I Am in Cool Blue. And the reason why you see my mouth moving but yet I'm doing a voiceover is because about halfway through this video I realized that my mic was not on. So I'm trying to remember what I said in the video, but it's really hard with no sound. So I'm just going to do the best that I possibly can, and then of course the sound will kick in. So I believe I was talking about how I just really want to spruce up my hair and add a little bit of color. So that's what I'm doing today, and I never tried blue before. I've tried a lot of temporary hair wax, but blue is a new color for me. So I'm excited about doing that. I do have some other temporary hair wax videos, so I will leave cards up above so you can check those out. But let's actually get into it. So first impression, I love the smell of this temporary hair wax. To be honest with you, I've tried a lot of different brands, and As I Am has the best scent of all. Obviously, the color is very vibrant and very bright, so I'm excited about that because it's getting ready to be warmer, and I've told you guys before that I do not plan on dyeing my hair anytime soon, probably ever. Well, I won't say never, but no time soon. So now right here, I really tried very hard to decipher what I was saying, but I couldn't come up with anything. I absolutely don't know what I was talking about. But what I did want to mention is that although this is not my first time trying temporary hair wax, this will be my first time trying it on dry hair. Typically, I do this on freshly washed wet hair, but for some reason, I can't remember why I didn't wash my hair this day, but I probably mentioned that in the video, but I'm not washing my hair. I know I wanted to try it on dry hair. One, because when you apply the temporary wax, it has water in the product. I believe that's the first ingredient. So I thought to myself, like, okay, if it has water in it, then essentially my hair will become wet. So yeah, so I guess that was my basis and my reasoning behind doing it on dry hair, and also because I like to do different stuff that I've never tried before to see if I would get different results. So with no real technique and thought process behind applying this, just being honest with you guys, I'm just slapping it on my hair. Like, I'm just taking a little bit of the hair color and or temporary hair color, and I am just applying it to my strands. I do know that I don't want to go all the way to the top of my roots. Like, I want the very top to stay black or remain black, but I do want majority of my hair to be covered in blue because I just want some bright hair for a week. You know, sometimes you just get those feelings where you just need a little something different. So that's exactly what I'm doing. At this point, I do feel like I'm using a ton of product to apply the color to my hair, and I'm assuming it's because my hair is dry. It just doesn't seem like I normally use as much product. But can we just pause right here for just a second just to appreciate that one single curl that's really popping on top of my head? Like, why does that one curl look so good? Okay. Moving right along. So now it's like I'm realizing that my curls just aren't curling. They're just not, I don't know, they're just not looking how I'm used to them to look. So I decided to do a little bit of finger coiling, and this is not how I finger coil. It was really like a lazy finger coil just to try to activate some of my curls. And then I start feeling myself, but it took me a little minute to get there for sure. Now, the problem that I ran into as my hair is drying, I went to clean off my fingers and I could not get this off my fingers. Literally, I just never experienced this ever using any temporary hair wax. So I was stressed. For real.
One eternity later.
Alright, y'all, so these are my final results. My hair is pretty much 100% dry because my hair really wasn't wet to begin with, other than putting the curl color on top, and this blue is popping. But I legit just took 1 full hour to clean my hands. Like, I just been washing my hands for an hour to get this off my hands, and I still have like a blue tint, but it stained my hands so bad. And I've never had a temporary color wax, or whatever you want to call it. I've never had a temporary color wax ever stain my hands like this stained my hands. I don't know if it was because it's blue, but I've tried a few different colors. I've tried red, I've tried pink, I've tried purple, I've tried 2 different purples. I've also tried the gold from As I Am. So this isn't the first time I've tried As I Am's, and I didn't have the staining, at least I don't remember. Well, maybe because it was gold, I don't know. But the way this product, let me see, the way that it has been coming off on my skin is terrible. So I don't know if it's going to continue to transfer like that. Maybe I applied too much. I'm going to show y'all how much I use, but I just might have messed up altogether, as I felt like I used a lot of it. And I feel like I used a lot because my hair wasn't wet. So I probably shouldn't have done that. But I was trying to do something different, trying new stuff, whatever. And I really love the way it smells. But I love the color. Like, the color is vibrant. Like, y'all, can y'all see? This blue is exactly what I needed. I just needed a little. I also stretched my hair a little bit. That's why y'all can see I got a little hair on my shoulders a little bit to match up with my type 2 hair, because that hair hangs longer. So basically I have to stretch my hair so that it can all look like it's the same type of hair, if that makes sense. It's very, very frustrating, but I really like it. I can't stop touching it, and I need to stop touching it because it's steady transferring. Even when I'm touching it now, that's the only thing, y'all, like with the color wax, like it gives you like a little bit of color. It'll last about a week. I'm assuming this will last a week, but the transfer is just, that part is just so frustrating. But it is what it is. It's temporary color, and it's not. And it's not damaging to my hair, so what can you expect? I mean, it is what it is. And it's only like $6 or something like that, or $7. You can get this in Target. You probably can get it in Walmart too, I don't know, but I have seen it in Target. I did order it on their website. But overall, I am very satisfied with the color. I'm not satisfied with the fact that it transferred and stained my hands. And if I do use it again, I will use gloves, because that just was so frustrating. I just lost an hour of my life that I'll never get back, and I'm a little upset about that. But let me know if you would ever try a blue. Again, it's only going to last for a week, so it's just something fun as we start transitioning into the summer months. I'm just going to keep doing new hairstyles and trying to do different stuff. Like, this isn't a different style. It's obviously like a wash and go, but I'm going to start styling my hair more and just doing other things than what I did last year, just because life's too short. It is what it is. So turn up, do your thing, have a good time, enjoy yourself, because that's exactly what I'm going to do. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, hit the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as my next video drops. And as always, I'm a little different, and different is love. See y'all in the next one. Bye!